Okay guys, let's do the last and very exciting survey method, which is the GPS survey. I have my sidekick connected to my iPhone through a direct USB-C connection. All it takes is to hit the plus button, name your project, GPS survey for example. You can save it to the cloud, you can save it locally on the sidekick, that's entirely up to you. And then on the next screen I will be able to select my source of the maps. It can be your picture, it can be Apple Maps. Obviously here I will use Apple Maps and I want to use the satellite map, hit add, and then I go to GPS tab, wait for my location to lock in. I will zoom in a little bit so you see it better, and then I will just hit anywhere on the screen and start moving around. As simple as that. Okay, and this is it. This is how simple it gets, and if it works in central London, it works everywhere.